century AD during the Roman Empire, and is the one building that still remains intact outside of the Roman Forum, because they decided to use it for an entirely different function in the year 609. They wanted to use it as a church, and so they maintained it. The only source of light as you go in is up above. It is something called the oculus. It's also where water comes through when it rains. That can be quite fun. Later on, they decided to also use the Pantheon for a place where they buried important people of Italy, one of whom was the first king of unified Italy, Victor Emmanuel II, and also his son, Umberto I, and his wife, the Queen of Savoy, Margherita. There was also a very important Renaissance artist that is buried there. He's by the name of Raphael. A fact that people don't often know is that this was the highest standing building for 1300 years before Brunelleschi came here to study how the Romans had achieved to create such a high standing dome, and went to take back this information to Florence in order to create an even higher freestanding dome.